Hi everybody, welcome to Synchronicity Yoga's YouTube channel. My name's Kevin, so find a place to roll out your mat and let's get started. Today I'm going to guide you through a short sequence, an inspirational flow, if you will. Something to get the blood flowing, have a little bit of fun on your mat, and maybe get a slight workout in as well. So come to standing, top of the mat, heels and feet about hip distance apart, about 2 fists. Stand up tall, ground down through all corners of the feet, Tadasana, palms face forward. Inhale, hands circle sweep overhead. Exhale, hinge at the hips, forward fold. Inhale, half lift, extend through the crown of the head, hands to shins. Exhale, plant the palms, step back, high plank. Shoulders stacked over wrists. Imagine a candle on your mat. You're drawing your belly in away from the flame. Press the heels back towards the back of the room. Exhale, down dog. Little pedal out here to start, bending into either leg. Finding a point of stillness. Inhale, round through the back, shift forward, high plank, shoulders stacked over wrists. Exhale, bend the knees, press the hips back, almost into a child's pose, but hover the knees. Inhale, shift the chest forward, keep it low to the mat, lift up dog, shoulders draw back, gaze comes up. Exhale, down dog. 2 breaths. Inhale, shift forward, round, high plank. Exhale, modified child's pose, hover the knees. Inhale, chest stays low to the mat. Lift, upward facing dog. Exhale, down dog, 2 breaths. Last time, inhale, shift forward, high plank. Exhale, modified child's pose, knees hover. Inhale, chest stays low, upward facing dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg lifts, bend the knee, stack the hips, circle it up. Reversing directions. Inhale, left leg reaches high. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, reach it up and back. Exhale, knee to nose, step through runner's lunge. Back heel spins flat, toes out 45 degrees. Inhale, hands forward and up. Warrior 1. Now you can try and bring your hands to the hips. Try and pull that left hip back, right hip forward, front knee over ankle. Back, long edge of the foot grounding down, arch begins to lift. Inhale, hands forward and up. Deepening the breath. Inhale, reach up, look up. Exhale, make a bind behind the back. Inhale, lifting the chest, drawing the shoulders back. Exhale, humbly bow inside the left leg. Left shoulder comes to the knee. Now think about shifting the hips to the right. So you're drawing the left hip back, right hip forward, pressing knee into left shoulder. Again, deepening the breath, making sure front knee is stacked over ankle, strong in the back foot, arch begins to lift. Keeping the bind, inhale, come all the way back up. Deep breath. Inhale, hands forward and up. Exhale, hands to the mat. Stepping left foot back to meet the right. Exhale, modified child's pose, knees flip. Inhale, shift forward, upward facing. Exhale, downward dog. Deep breaths. Inhale, right leg lifts. Bend the knee, stack it. Circle it up. Other direction. Inhale, right leg reaches up and back. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, up and back. Exhale, knee to nose, step through, runner's lunge. Back heel spins flat. Hands come forward and up. Right hip pulls back this time. Left hip forward. Right knee stacked over the ankle, reach up. Exhale, bind behind the back. Opposite pointer finger on top. Inhale, lift the chest, draw the shoulders back. Exhale, humbly bow inside the right knee. Shifting the hips to the left, press the right knee into right shoulder. Keeping the bind, inhale, hands. Inhale, chest lifts forward and up. Exhale here. Inhale, hands come forward and up. Exhale, hands to heart, either going back down, flowing through the same vinyasa, or straightening the front leg. Heel toe the foot slightly in, toes out, heels in. Inhale, hands reach overhead. Exhale, sit it down, goddess pose. Sink a little bit deeper, trying to keep the hips underneath the shoulders, everything stacked. Option to bring the hands to the knees, dropping the right shoulder in. Inhale through center. Exhale, left side. One more time, inhale through center. Exhale, right. Inhale to center. Exhale, take it left. Inhale, back to center, stand all the way up, hands reach overhead. Exhale, hands to heart. Keep shoulders stacked over hips. Add a little bounce side to side. Maybe closing the eyes. Little bounce, just opening up into the hips. Chest stays lifted. Gaze stays forward. Checking in with your breath. Inhale, hands circle sweep all the way overhead. Exhale, heel toe the feet in. A little bit wider than hip distance. Maybe mat distance, toes out, heels in. Hands circle sweep overhead. Exhale, sit it down, yogi squat. Working to keep the heels flat on the mat. Elbows press into the knees, lift the chest, gazes forward. Find that same little bounce side to side. You have the option here to stand all the way back up. Come back to facing the front of the mat and continue the flow. Or pop right down onto a seat. Placing opposite foot in front. Coming to a seat. Drawing shoulders back. Hands to knees. Closing the eyes, taking a deep breath. Exhale out the mouth. 2 more. Hands come to heart center, bowing head to hands. Hoping a little bit of movement in the body sparks some inspiration for you. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.